guys, asi-unpack-eni futhi nansi indaba yase-Russia. Hayi ngeke guys, it's escalating. You'll think it's small. Oh my gosh. And when you look at it, it's like, yo, nithanda imali, nenzani. But I mean, so crazy how things are just now unfolding. And oh my gosh, like, guys, it's a lot. Lento yosima, yes. Usima lost 2.5 million on TikTok followers. Yes, I guess like she's like, I don't even know. It's like my life is done. Oh, guys. And she started another TikTok footy page where she's saying, guys, you can follow me if you want. Back on Agashem who wrote, there was one girl who wrote, you know what? This was just a mistake. But there's some guy who's just like, who did a big video. Just, I'm not going to put the clip here. I'm just like, oh, I see, man, just see. But two guys you've never even seen in your life. He's just like, from Labant, and these people are famous. But that's just my thing as well. Because I've always said, there's nothing there to learn. But and then we must sympathize with you. I think also Usima hasn't really been rude, but I said the other day her first apology wasn't genuine. This is why people are just like, please, even now inside, we don't want to know. Ngapha Usain Butch delele was watching is our pastor Tagiwe. I'm just like, you are so drunk, right? Like, what's going on? You are poop drunk. Inganzethu again for the learning from that crap. We were able to delay. It's just like, please put yourself together. There were so many young children, like mostly teenagers, who were just like, oh my gosh, if influence. No, the children are just like, please. You can and then like, what was that for? Usain Butch. Guys, I thought it has died down, but it started again. They just like, there is a ingan in some countries as. And then the next thing was another eye, but I was just like, I know sisters she's lying. Like they bought the other girls who they're just saying they were sitting with them in Russia. I'm just like, please, this looks like sentient to me. So one girl was just saying, "Who's coming in the same program?" I'm fine. I was just like, please stop, sissy. Please. And as when TikTok, what are you doing? Guys. Hi guys, kuningi bayabadonsa bandla ingeke. Bayabadonsa. Sima uyazama ukuzehlisa ngapha ku TikTok uthi guys, if you want and if you don't want to join my new page, it's actually understandable. Yazi bandla kona cha. Abanye bathi manje ufuna you must sympathize with you. We have no empathy, nothing for you. Please stop. Oh, guys, guys, I don't know what are your thoughts, guys. You must just let me know. I'm just like, could have been avoided. That's just my thing. Because they come up now with stories. They made a pact and they were just like, no, we're going to tell the media, Oguti. We didn't know. And the guy who recruiter, I made a video before this one, Oguti. Uguti, no. Magana Sosa Ama video is about Russia. You won't be paid because it's an ongoing payment. Sometimes that's what brands do. They will pay for like 6 months, not the whole amount, because they want to see that video trending about them. And the next thing you keep. So the girl was just like, please, you won't be paid. I don't care. Nah, but please work. I'm not about me again. Konomunye ku TikTok now you've got 2 followers on TikTok, but you're only following about 600. Awusijwayela kabi kahle wena. Uyazijwayela. Eshokusima guys. Oh, as inzima into yosima, like I don't know how they're going to correct it. Thank you so much guys for always watching this channel. Ngithanda over.